for adjusting a worn out door hinge on a Dexter washing machine. Generally the pin on the hinge wears out here. It just cuts grooves into it. You're going to need a 1/2 inch socket to take the hinge apart. Once you have it apart, you can take this piece here, clamp it in a bench vise right along this line, and then just hammer it back open. You don't want to close it, you want to open it up a little bit. And then when you put it back together, it'll generally compensate for some of the slop in the shaft, and you'll lose some of the wobble up and down that way. The other thing you can do if you don't want to bend the hinge is you can adjust the bracket itself. If you loosen the 3 bolts here, it'll allow you to rock the door this way. So what you can do if you have flop in the hinge, loosen these, line your door back up with the pin here, and then pull it back out a little and push it up. Now you're kind of guessing here. If you have, like 1 inch of travel, you're going to want to push the door up about 1 inch past where it would line up. That way when you tighten it and let go, it'll drop down and line up evenly with the pin again. But it might take you a few tries, but that way you get it to line up nice and even and latch. Even though it's still got flop in it, when it's settled, it'll line up nice and even. Now there's a lot of variations on the Dexter hinges. This here is one of the newest styles. You generally don't have to do anything with this one. It's a decent design. 2 pieces. Have the part numbers here. We've also got this style here where you've got 2 fingers on this piece and just 1 center piece here. You've got the bar here and then the one with the pin. Some of the newer machines have an additional switch on the door. And then the older WCN hinges generally have the 3 tabs. There's also this one, a slight variation. I couldn't find a part number for that. And then you've got the pin, the clip, and the bolts themselves.